Today the plan is to trade this for something. Gotta go ahead, it's been sitting a little bit, so it's probably gonna have to be jump started, so I'm gonna get that going. Good news is it doesn't look like a bunch of little varmints have been in wires. Ooh, it's cold. Let it warm up a bit and we'll move it. It's not too bad of a rig. It's got 157,000 miles on it. Right there. It does have the info light on. It says it has a transmission default, which I believe is the TCM. Here it is. Not a bad rig. Not too shabby. It's got a little owie on this side, but other than that, pretty good. Hopefully it'll be a good unit for the next person. It sat for about probably a couple months now. It's running good. We're gonna go meet the guy up gas station and see if he's interested in doing the trade. And most likely I think it'll happen, but you never know with people and what they expect. If it's more than they expect or if it's a lot less than they expect. So hopefully it's everything he's expected. I've described it all best I can, so now it's just seeing it in person. So we are here. We're just sitting here waiting for people to show up with their trade and see if we can't make it happen. Here they are pulling up. Alright, you guys, here it is. This is what we traded for. Find out if it's a good deal or not. I'll walk you guys around it and give you a little detour. So we're looking at a 06 Foreman here. It's a 500 TRX. So far, what I've noticed off the bat was, looks like they're gonna add a snorkel, and then they never did. When we got their trade, the battery was dead, which, I mean, it looks pretty old, so fair enough. Like, yeah, the car had issues. I'd expected at least hear it turn over. He had sent a video. But it's all good. It's missing a air filter. That wasn't mentioned either, which it's all right. I mean, I expected a little bit of a project, but the more things intact, the better, right? The winch looks like it's all frayed and in there and broke. I don't know whether it works or not because, again, the battery. But all in all, I mean, it's a Honda. Looks like it's got some leakage. The video he sent me is when it originally ran. He also got it in trade, but it was running. He traded it for a sprint car. And yeah. So, and then I guess after once or twice of riding it, it wouldn't start anymore. We're gonna do some diagnosis and see what's wrong with it. It's got some cosmetic stuff. It was definitely a farm or ranch rig that was rough. Screen also doesn't work. Random electrical tape, which we'll take that off. Be interesting. Got 2-wheel, 4-wheel. It's got the electric shifter, which I'm not a fan of, but hey, is what it is. And then there's a few other things that we got in trade. I'll drop some photos. The toolbox works. It's a little shocking. And the winch controller. Doubt that's around anywhere. Might be in the back. Got the blue electrical tape off. And now there's black electrical tape under that. So I'll save that for sometime later. Also, if you might know what this is, let me know. D1, D2, and ESP. I'm assuming it has to do with the shifting or like drive, reverse, neutral, low gear. I don't know. Let me know if you have any ideas. I'd like to know. I've never actually ridden one of these, so it'll be awesome to get this beast up and running. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna button it up and put it away for the night.